New cheap projectors are now looking pretty much like TV screens in terms of quality. Today, we'll be checking out the Wanbo Mozart 1 Pro projector. At first, I thought it was just another one of those mini portable projectors from China. But nope, this one is full-sized and on par with the very popular Wanbo X5. We'll compare both projectors for watching videos and playing games. The Mozart model immediately stands out with a much larger screen size. I had to move the projector closer to the wall just to make the screen fit. It also comes with all the convenient features you'd expect, like automatic focus and keystone adjustments. Simply place the projector against the wall, and you're ready to enjoy videos or games. I tried connecting my Xbox gamepad to the projector, but ran into issues. Luckily, I had a GameSeer Tarantula Pro controller, which can switch between Xbox, Nintendo, and PlayStation modes. It even adjusts the button layout to match the system. For some reason, this Android TV projector only accepts PlayStation gamepad input. Let me know if this is an Android TV quirk. Using NVIDIA Moonlight, I connected to my PC library and streamed games. But most of my library consists of VR titles. I remembered I had Prince of Persia from Ubisoft, so I tested that instead. To improve the picture, I used an ambient light rejecting screen from Wanbo. At first, the screen seemed ineffective until I flipped it to the correct side. The difference was dramatic. Colors became richer, blacks deeper, and the image looked much closer to an LCD TV. I tested the projector during the day with curtains closed, and the screen made a noticeable difference in clarity, even in ambient light. The image quality from the projector genuinely looks like a proper TV screen, with accurate contrast and vibrant colors. The picture is also very sharp all the way to the edges, much like what you'd expect from a TV. This is a big improvement over many cheaper projectors, which often suffer from blurry edges or out-of-focus corners. Thanks to Wanbo's high-quality optics, I didn't notice any picture defects across the entire screen. Next, I connected a mini PC directly to the projector via HDMI to test input latency. As expected, there was no noticeable lag. The projector even has a dedicated gaming mode, making it perfect for gaming. Remember how the Xbox gamepad didn't work? I had a similar issue with a Logitech keyboard. While it connected, only the arrow keys worked, and the letter keys wouldn't type at all. It's another odd compatibility quirk, likely tied to the Android TV system. Speaking of quirks, the projector prompted me to install apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime during setup, but it didn't let me unselect them, which was annoying. I don't even use Netflix anymore. I have access to Russian Netflix via my local network, so I just use VLC to stream content, like the same Arcane series that was advertised on the home screen. It works perfectly fine at 1080p, and I can even switch to English if I want. But if you do use Netflix, the official Android TV does provide DRM support, so you should be able to watch in full 1080p with the correct subscription. The Mozart projector impressed me with its cooling system. It's extremely silent. The sound system is also surprisingly good, outperforming many Bluetooth speakers in the same price range.
Guns and best gear for the future. Before heading out on your next adventure, check your gear. Repair it if needed. Otherwise, you may face well.
However, the speaker lacks a protective grille, so you have to be careful when handling the projector.
Depending on what kind of stalker you are and how you prefer to navigate the zone.
I tested Stalker 2, a very dark game, and the projector handled it well. The contrast was solid, with noticeably deeper blacks and better color depth. The ambient light rejecting screen made a clear difference here, keeping the image from looking washed out. Even with the game's darker tones, the details were easy to make out, which added to the overall experience.
The distance and the type of armor you're up against. That's why, my friend.
Finally, I compared the Shogun series trailer on both the Mozart 1 Pro and the X5. The Mozart had a larger screen at the same distance.
And sea and earth. Just remember, we live and we die.
I had to move the X5 further back to match the screen sizes.
War is coming.
Picture quality between the two was very similar, except for some slight differences in color balance.
My life is mine and yours is yours. If you can't see that, you'll never be free of this prison.
It is you who is imprisoned. Freedom is all you ever live for.
The Mozart has better cooling, superior sound quality, and runs official Android TV, making it ideal for DRM-supported streaming services. On the other hand, the X5 has a custom Android OS, which feels snappier and supports more apps, game controllers, and local media without restrictions. Both projectors offer excellent picture quality, and choosing one comes down to your priorities. The Mozart One Pro is great for quiet operation, better sound, and official apps. The X5 is more affordable with a flexible and open Android OS. I'll leave links to both projectors along with 3D printed files for tripod mounts. Let me know in the comments which one you have or are planning to buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.